I'm watching the Disney Channel on my cell phone.
You're watching Let It Shine, rap battle edition. Trust in yourself, trust in your decisions. You just gotta listen to your
Go. Okay. Here's this was your chart.
Hi, Aunt Kate.
For your Hi,
Lord. How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Me too.
One of the cats in here.
Do your cats try to escape a lot?
No, they don't try to escape. They do try to get out from time to time. But I only let them out in the backyard if
Okay.
I'm going to be out with them.
Okay. How do I look holding this type of camera?
You look fine. I never thought holding a camera was a fashion statement, however.
Yeah. I gotta look cute.
Oh, well, of course you do.
Here I am close up, holding camera. You want to see how I'm zooming up? I'm using this button.
Oh, you're in the
I'm not taking a number 1 or a number 2. I'm just taking a picture of myself holding the camera. Sure looks pretty scary. Okay. I've never held this type of camera since, like, what? Ever? I gotta admit, this camera is pretty cool. And instead of using zoom it buttons, you get to use this type of button. Oh, all kinds of cool effects.
Or director or something like that. So I guess director is what he wanted to be. So never been used since. So
Oh,
if Cora
okay.
can
That'd be nice.
use it,
I'm sure
you're
he would
welcome
like
to it.
What do you say?
Thank you.
And I'll say you can have it and dust it off and use it.
Okay.
Because it is very dusty.
So you don't want it anymore?
That is correct.
Okay.
Now, did I take my cell phone with me? No.
Thank you for giving it to me.
Well, you're welcome, Cora. I figured nobody's using it, so somebody who would like to use it should use it.
Yeah.
Leave that closed for the cats or leave it
Leave it open for the cats and just
that way
close
they
this
can
one.
come and eat.
Yeah. I came when it was wide open.
Okay.
Corn and I just get a regular fry.
There's Kate's burger. And what did you get?
I got a hot dog. There's more fries.
Oh my God!
So either still
Huge amount of
Holy
fries.
landfill.
What do they call this? The bucket of fries?
this is called the large,
Yeah.
and the other one is called the regular.
Well, how about they call it the regular and the ridiculous?
Because that's what the regular.
Alright. Well, it is
At the industry,
8:49. It's 3 hours till the day comes to a complete end. Excuse me.
as in your time up here in winter is done.
So,
And he said, turn that
Yeah.
music off. I'm not finished yet. Here's my
here's my hot dog, french fries, ketchup, and my lemonade. Here's my phone.
such a crew.
Mom said to call because she's all the way in there. Want to see? Okay, so you can't see. Oh well. Five Guys, burgers and fries.
usually only go when there's somebody here from out of town, so I'm not a Ted Drew's regular by any stretch of the imagination. And every year they come up with more new things, so every year I have to read the menu again and find out what it is I'm going to try this year. They have one, they've been advertising one on the radio, and it sounded so good, I tried it at home, and it wasn't very good when I tried it at home. It was root beer, custard, and malted milk powder mixed up together. And I tried that, and it just didn't do it for me. But I'm sure they can do it much better than I did it. But I want to get one of their, I want to get one of their sundaes, not, so.
Sun what's?
Sundays. Oh, which reminds me of another place we can go to eat. Oh, good. Thank you, Cord. There's a little restaurant in Webster called Dr. Jazz, and it's got hamburgers and hot dogs and, you know, stuff, things like that, but it also has wonderful ice cream desserts.
Man, that sounds cool.
So we can eat there sometime.
Yeah, we could.
Yes, I think I made it for Christmas this year. And, but I found out, unfortunately, Charlie likes chocolate, but he doesn't like peppermint. So I'm going to have to scrap that dessert for a while until he either starts liking peppermint or I don't care what he likes anymore. One or the other. Christmas time, I think I'll make that this year, and then I'll buy it and I'll wrap it up in plastic bags real tight and put it in my freezer until I'm ready, you know. And it may be 6 months or a year later that I get around to actually making it. It's good enough for me. I mean, that's, you know, I wrap it in plastic to try and keep as much air out of it as I can. And it works okay.
93 degrees Fahrenheit.
93 right now.
Yeah. How'd you know a while ago it was 99 degrees?
Because it said so when we were driving over here.
Oh, okay.
No, I just have a little thermostat implanted in my head that tells me these things.
Because I'm not very good with temperature these days.
You mean your body isn't good with temperature, or your mind isn't good knowing what the temperature is? That makes sense.
I'm kind of new about this temperature learning stuff. It's 9:07. We're driving nighttime.
He was Rob the principal at a middle school.
No, I wish. I think he wishes too. He's an assistant principal at a high school, so I think he wants to stay in the same school district he's in, even though he's far away from home. I mean, it's probably takes him a good half an hour to get there every day, but he likes it. Now this is where we'd get off if we were going to go to Tom's apartment. He lives down that way.
Oh, okay. Does Tom have a girlfriend right now?
No. Tom hasn't had a girlfriend since his freshman or sophomore year in college, I don't think. He's had girls that he's liked, but they've all had other boyfriends at the time that he liked them. So...
Sure. They'll eventually meet the right girl.
nice group of friends that he hangs out with, and they have friends. You know, so he does have people he does things with. I mean, when he was in high school, he hung out in a group of 5 guys that were all, you know, real good friends together. And one of the guys had a younger sister. Well, now another one of the guys is living with the younger sister, and so Tom hangs out with Matt and Jen and Jen's little brother Kenny.
I see a motorcyclist.
Who's little, and
I'm gonna
Kenny
get
is
close
like
up on him.
22 or something, so he's not little anymore either. You know, that's who Tom hangs out with, are all of these, still most of them are his friends from high school, or else people he's met through his friends in high school.
That's good that you still stay friends with them.
And his college friends, he doesn't, well, there aren't any of them that live here in St. Louis anyway, but he has 2 friends from college. Even I would rather do that, but we'll come back.
Yeah.
I wonder if all these cars along here are there. That's
A lot of them are, yes.
we should do more of this.
Yep. Okay.
That's too bad we make you drive for nothing.
That's okay. I was hoping that by this time at night they would say, no, we're not going to be here anymore. And I wish that they'd have some kind of a deal. I think they do. Now, I know people do park across this street and then they just walk across the middle of the street, but I'm not doing that. I think so too, and I'm not doing it. But we can come another time. Oh, and it is Saturday night, so I guess that is probably an extra busy time.
Yeah.
And we wanted to take pictures of our cute little kids. And then we got this new one that you're using.
Yeah.
And I think the only tape that was ever made of it, we went on vacation to Florida, and Sarah took a girlfriend with her, and they took videos out of our condo balcony down at these cute guys that were playing volleyball outside the window. It was just like, and that's the only thing it's ever been used for, is that one time. But I should do that. I should take some more videos with them, maybe.
Yeah.
I could figure out, I'll figure something out.
You know, Aunt Kate, what normal people do?
What do normal people do?
When the driver's passenger gets too tired of holding the camera and they want to film their trip, they can just set the camera on a dashboard.
But not the way I drive.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's true, Cord.
Yeah, it is.
They don't take videos of their whole lives while I'm driving in the car.
I know, but I want to make this a memory.
Okay. Well, that's why you have a brain, is so your brain can remember it. So it's still called St. Louis Bread Company, and there's one just up the street. Well, it's in the same shopping center that this ice cream store is that we'll go to. It's just up the street from our house. So we can get something to eat there too sometime.
That would be good.
I don't know if you like Panera or not, but
Like, we don't usually go there, but I know it's really popular. You know, like, a lot of people go to get there.
now, when my sister-in-law was here, I guess they don't have Panera out in Seattle, I'm not sure. She would go to Panera every morning and get a glass of iced tea and a sweet roll. every morning. I'm like, I have food. I have tea. I have all of this stuff. You could steak. No, I want to get my special tea at Panera. It's like, okay, whatever works.
Do they like living in Seattle?
No, they hate it. Yes. My sister-in-law hates it. I don't think my brother hates it. I think he just doesn't like it. But, you know, Mary Ann was a teacher when they left Washington and had a whole wonderful group of friends, and then moved out to Seattle, and now she is just the babysitter for the grandkids. So she hasn't made a lot of new friends out in Seattle. And she says that the people in Seattle only like people from Seattle. If you're not born and raised in Seattle, they don't really care about you one way or the other. And she hates the weather. She just...
That's why I think the weather would be that.
Yeah, I mean...
It rains a lot.
It rains a lot. It's gray. When it's not raining, it's gray. I think there's a couple of months of the year when the sun shines, but that's about it. And the temperature is... She said that there's only like 1 month of the year when
my
you can
battery's
actually
blinking.
wear...
I guess I'm gonna shut it off for the night.
Okay, because it's dead, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, I think I have 2 batteries for it because I figured I should always have an extra battery. But I don't know how. I kind of felt bad because they had done such a nice job on her wedding.
There's Biker Chick. Say hello, Biker Chick. See what's going on upstairs. Mom's up there. Are you a cute cat? Huh? You cute cat? You like the camera? It's July 1st. Oh, I already caught you on tape doing that, Biker Chick. This is Sunny. Sunny is the black and white cat. And look, she's blocking your path. Yeah. That bowl's okay. I look so good holding this camera.
Well, that's good. Okay, now I will let you hold the camera and I will go to the grocery store.
Okay.
And these two...
Who is that meowing cat?
That is
Thunder?
Carmen says, I want to go outside and chase birds. But that's not going to happen right now, Kat.
Yeah,
Sorry.
too bad. Hey, Sonny. You like your cat food? Believe me, I got tired of holding this camera on the road trip. You like your cat food? Biker Chick is waiting there. I got a close up. Well, here I am with the camera again. Here I am up close. That is my eye. And that is my mouth, which I am now speaking with. Yeah, it has great controls. Okay, so if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go put the camera down and do my business. The cat doesn't like the camera today. But I'm not actually alone. It's just me. So So how old is Biker Chick?
9, 10, or 11. I can't remember.
Okay.
Because when I got the 3 cats, they were 7, 8, and 9, and now it's their year. So they're all a year older. But I don't remember who was what.
I see Stormy.
Okay. Watching me water.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh no, they just. But they haven't made it. I mean, I heard it on the radio news, but if you don't listen to the radio news channel I listen to, I haven't heard it anyplace else. So, and they do have, and I don't know. They've got some kind of a city notification thing that you get a robocall from the, this guy moved his car. Yes. And I don't know if that's the new somebody in that house across the street, and somebody in this car that I'm having trouble getting around is only there on the weekends, and I don't know if it's somebody who comes up to help them move in and do things to the house, or what. Yes, and they have a 2-car garage. I mean, I imagine having moved, the garage is full of stuff. But yes, they could.
There's a train.
Oh, and now you're getting me talking and saying bad things about other drivers. I'm sorry, that just...
Because it really would save them money.
Yeah.
If you started here and you
Well, money and time. I mean, I'm so... You know, it's just like... That's the thing about his job that drives me crazy, is the way he acts about stuff like that. So...
What airlines does he fly?
Well, it depends. Most of the time, well, he flies American. I think he's maybe flown Delta a couple of times, because he'll charge on my MasterCard. No, I just charge on my MasterCard.
Oh, you have one of those cards.
Yeah. Oh, this is a cute little restaurant that's right here. Culpeppers.
Oh.
So that might be a place. They've got hamburgers and, you know, that kind of food. Yeah. I would say it's kind of a sports bar atmosphere, but it's not really bar. Really bar-y. What a sporty, but not necessarily bar-y.
So, Ford's favorite restaurant was Damon. I had to even get it to go along with, you know, to get home. Ford loved their ribs. But then when that Buffalo Wild Wings was an issue, and when they opened up, they said that they probably took a lot of the business away from Damon. And so then they weren't that busy, and so then they closed up. And we went to that Buffalo Wild Wings, but in fact we went with Charlie when he came to Nashville. But and Ford got to all those videos.
Yeah.
Now you're making new ones.
Yeah.
So Cord wanted to go to a lot of the places where they
Yeah, and that was where Cord got eaten by a goat.
Why would I ever get eaten by a goat?
Because
Was that on the
goats
video?
eat everything.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know if it was or not, because you and
Do
Dave-
goats eat the close-up of your face?
goats eat your clothes.
They were trying to eat your clothes.
Can't
Have you
remember.
seen a video of that?
No.
It could mean that your goats tried to save you from the goats and couldn't take a video.
Tell. What do you have to tell her?
I was just going to tell her what all we've been doing and
Cord, do you have
It's upstairs.
the yellow, green, and reds?
Yeah, they're upstairs.
Okay, well, I got some more in the drawer here.
Okay.
Okay, good. This may work better.
well, you keep doing that. I have to pay my credit card bill. So I'll go get my credit card and call and pay.
Don't I look cool holding this camera?
Oh, you do. I have to get my camera out and take your picture while
Okay.
you're videoing.
Don't bother with your camera because I got another camera.
Okay, let's see.
You turn it on, and just hold that button down. Okay.
Okay, it takes like a regular still picture, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, I'm gonna go get my
Okay.
credit card.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I gotta put this back.
Okay, so do you want to
Try it.
try it? Now, this has red, green, and blue because those are the colors that are on the back of this thing.
Okay.
So I don't know. I would assume red and green or whatever. I don't know. We'll have to see what works. Just try attaching different things.
Okay.
Now let's see what we can do here. And you would have thought there had been an instruction book that came with that thing, but there sure wasn't.
AT&T.
That's it.
Rethink possible.
Well, I don't want to rethink possible.
Silly camera.
Wow.
What was that noise?
Oh, I just moved the
Squeaky chair.
Hey, look.
Oh.
Did they,
And this way I can just throw them in the dryer on air fluff and get rid of the cat hair.
oh, that's good.
So, or get rid of most of the cat hair, I should say.
Did they,
Hey, like a chick.
didn't have one that,
Like the camera today?
I'm sure they
Yeah.
must have. But one was black, and then after she died, we got one that looked something like Biker Chick and a gray one. No, after she, okay, we got a gray one. And then when the gray one died, Sarah was real iffy about getting another black cat because she thought, you know, since Daisy had died and we all loved Daisy so much that she
Delicious. So how do you like Aunt Kate's house?
oh, I love it. It's so pretty.
Is it? Here's the cat. Say hello, cat. Sunny. Hi. What you doing?
Because they have like
Okay, so we are home.
purse. Well, then I started just can it on the other hand.
Oh, well, that's too big.
Hey, Sunny. How are you this evening?
She says, I'm ready for my dinner.
Are you afraid of me?
No, not I. Stormy would be.
Then why was she running from me?
She wanted you to play, maybe.
Oh. I'm too sick to play
I
today.
have no idea why, Cord, but cats have something called the night crazies, where they start running around and acting crazy.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, well, I guess I'm going to put the trash out.
Okay, here we are, 20 to 19 minutes later. Finally shooting at 11. And there's Biker Chick with Mom. Biker Chick is fat. So, yeah. I'm watching Wizards of Waverly Place on my cell phone.
This is a college man we're talking about, Alex. I need you something from my mature collection. Well, does that dress come with a horse and buggy? It's parked out back, and someone isn't getting a ride in it.
Cat's sniffing my camera. Here's Mom. Petting fat kitty. Say hello, fat kitty. I'm joking, Biker Chick. I'm joking. By the way, Biker Chick, your name is funny. While I'm watching the Disney Channel on my cell phone, Aunt Kate here is watching the news.
They're all beat up. They're all dry. Just one little spark from a bottle rocket. Just going to touch something off. Things can get out hand quickly. Very quickly because it is so dry and it's so hot. Obviously, there aren't fireworks shows.
There's the clock. It's set a minute earlier.
Will go on. As the fire chief, any concerns about that? You know, we've looked at it. We've studied it again. We've been doing this for quite some time now. That fireworks shot has all been over Mississippi River, so we're pretty assured that this will be a safe cruise. When the 4th of
Okay.
July comes around, do you put extra
I'll be back in about
this dangerous time of year every year?
10 to 20 minutes. I'm filming every once in a while. Here is something that I had when I was a baby. A singing cardinal. Say hello, biker chick. Hi, Mom. Okay.
We did have a few of those spotty thunderstorms today.
Hey, Sonny. What are you doing looking on those coasters?
Let's take a look at the first look of the radar. You can see a few of those storms still pushing through. They're into Jefferson County, primarily. Most of it diminishing. That swath of rain you see.
Earlier you were taking a bath. Caught that on camera, right? Right? I'm videotaping biker chick. She's taking a bath. There's Stormy.
One of the prospects captured this draft this year was a slugger out of Florida State, James Ramsey. He was their first round pick. He paid his first visit to Busch Stadium as a member of the organization just last week. And as Katie Peltz reports, Ramsey savored every moment of it.
Hitters swarm to him, so saddling up next to Mark
Foundation, something so valuable, but it says a lot about the Cardinals if they were able to retain some of those players that have been legends in the organization.
The Cardinals drafted Ramsey 23rd for his swing. His .378 average and 13 home runs at Florida State makes him a natural at the plate.
Just get on base, help my team win. And it's pretty simple, just to try to hit strikes, take balls, and very aggressive as well.
It must be really cool to be a baseball player that
You know, Stormy is wild.
in your
Really
in your
wild.
hometown, or the one of the mail techs there, brother-in-law, was a player for the Boston White Sox, and he was a guy that 3 years ago he pitched a perfect game with nobody getting on base at all. He got the game and made big moves. But it was funny, she has twins that were like, I want to say about 4 years old or something. And she took them to the movies one time, the first time they'd been to a real movie theater. And one of the twins was looking up at the ceiling the whole time, and she finally said to him, what's wrong with you? The kid says, well, this movie theater doesn't have stars on the ceiling like Uncle Scott's does. Because he had a home theater with little star lights up in the ceiling, and that was the only place this kid had seen movies, was at the ritzy ditzy Uncle Scott's house out in St. Charles County. But apparently there's a lot of ball players that live in St. Louis during the off season, and their wives are all in kind of a club together, I guess. And this one guy whose brother Rob knows, he got, when he got married when he was in college and wasn't a professional baseball player. He and his wife bought a cheap little 2-bedroom house in not so nice a neighborhood, and then he made it big as the Cardinals. And she started going to these wives clubs things, and they were all in houses that have stars on the ceiling of the home movie theater. And she went home and said, Kyle, we need to get a new house before these women come over here. So I was like, oh, okay. So, but I mean, he was still, like, he had a thing, and she's like, no, we have to move. We have to change everything before these women come over here.
There's Sonny.
Okay, well, guys, I'm sorry. I didn't even look baseball tonight. We won the game. I was thinking.
Okay. Is that all you care about? You won the game?
That's primarily what I care about, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now what are these little kids doing?
It's 11:34.
Oh,
And
this guy,
Stormy.
he was the most valuable player in last year's World Series. And he's a local St. I mean,
Sonny, why are you running away?
yeah, and he had to,
Well, it's 11:34 p.m.
to come to.
and
I'm pretty sure they did, but he was pitching to some kid and got punked in the
11:35.
Cat.
Oh,
Oh, see, you missed seeing a cat go up for it.
ah!
Which one was that one?
That was Biker Chick, I'm pretty sure. She's the one that generally does. Yeah.
Hey, biker chick.
No,
Look what you did. You barfed on the carpet.
well, they look at each other.
Holy landfill.
They get a lot of hairs. Yeah. Oh, well, they always are. Yeah. He is.
Yeah. 11:36 right now. p.m. Night.
You were exhausted and had to go to bed right now. And you're still filming.
Well, I'm going to wash my hands and get it, okay? Cord, what did I just tell you?
I was just trying to go.